Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Taylor and I'm so happy to have you here. In today's video, we are going to be deep cleaning my bathroom. I want the bathroom so clean that I could literally eat in there. Just kidding, I don't want to do that, but seriously, I want to see my reflection in the toilet. If you enjoyed this video, then please like and please subscribe and make sure to turn the notification bell on so you never miss a new video. Also, make sure to check out my other videos for all things cleaning, home makeovers, cooking, and more. Now with all that being said, it's time to get at it and get it done. I'm going to start off by giving Buster and Ruby a bath because they definitely need it, and I figured it would be a good time since I'm going to go ahead and deep clean my tub today.
Baby, I can tell it's just for show. Every line designed to let me know. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect.
Now I'm going to wash my towels and take my shower curtain down and also wash it as well.
Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. When we are together, you're afraid to hold my hand.
I'm going to clean the walls today, the floors, the baseboards, everything. And I'm going to use Go Clean Co.'s recipe, and it's 1 gallon of hot water, 1 teaspoon of powdered Tide, and then a 1/3 cup of bleach. I'll also put Go Clean Co.'s cleaning recipe in the description box below. I'm going to really focus on scrubbing the walls and the baseboards because the walls and stuff are in desperate need of cleaning. I think the last time that they got cleaned was possibly when dinosaurs roamed the earth, so it is time for a good old-fashioned deep cleaning.
Already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you are. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. I see them pulling your strings, and you might be seeing things. Yeah. You know I'm real and I'm here. Who cares in a few years? You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected.
So I might sound like a complete weirdo, but I don't mind cleaning the toilet, like at all. It's probably one of my favorite things to clean. I'm going to take that same Tide and bleach mixture and just wipe down the toilet really good and get it really clean.
So am I.
I'm going to take some Q-tips and dip it in that Tide and bleach mixture and just clean all the places that are hard to reach.
Hey, this might come out as total madness, but just wait. I really need to tell you something.
I'm going to take the lid off of my toilet, that way I can clean under the lid really well, and also I have a bidet attachment, so it's important to do this ever so often, that way you get it really clean and disinfected.
So distant with you, under street lights right next to the skyline with you.
See, I told y'all my walls and stuff haven't been cleaned since dinosaurs roamed the earth. Look at all this dirty water, but it is so satisfying to look at.
So pretty in the sunrise, and somehow now everything is all.
Now I'm going to fill my bathtub up with some hot water and pour some bleach in, and then I'm going to take off the plastic shower curtain liner and just soak it, because I didn't buy this too long ago and I feel like it would be wasteful to just throw it away. So I'm going to soak this for 5 minutes.
Like every word is so translucent, so real. Oh, won't you tell me how you do it? Now I'm high, but the buzz in the room, surrounded by people I couldn't care, yeah. But nobody but you. Sway, move me now, baby, dance, give into the moment. With you, under streetlights, right next to.
Now that the 5 minutes are up, I'm just going to drain the water and then let this dry and put it back up.
Yeah, you. I've been listening to so many of my days. Now you just my makeup believer. I don't make this. You look so pretty in the sunrise, and somehow now everything is alright. Everything is alright with you. Under streetlights, right next to the skyline. With you, yeah, you. I've been listening to so many of my days. Now you just my makeup believer. I don't make this. You look so pretty in the sunrise, and somehow now everything is alright.
Now I'm going to take some Windex and spray it on my faucet and then wipe it down. This will give it a really nice shiny finish.
Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's
I'm going to try this hack that I seen on, it was either TikTok or Instagram, but you put Fabuloso in your toilet tank. You just take a Fabuloso bottle, cut it or poke holes in it, and then put it into your tank, and it's supposed to make your toilet smell really fresh each time you flush it.
we've got nothing to lose. You're looking so old.
Folding laundry is one of my least favorite things to do, so I've been trying to fold them as soon as they get out of the dryer, because if I don't, I will procrastinate and they will stay there forever.
Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. your eyes. I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you.
Instead of using a mop, I decided to get down on my hands and knees and use the Tide and bleach mixture.
Oh! Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love, let me love you. Let me love you.
Thank y'all so much for watching. My bathroom is so clean now and smells amazing. Now I just need to keep it up with a routine. I struggle with routines, and I know when you have a good one in place, then it makes life so much easier. So I have decided to start the Fly Lady system, so keep an eye out for Fly Lady related content. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all!